the far southwest of Ireland, where the Atlantic breathes against green hills, lies a village wrapped in sun and sunlight. Waterville, and Currane, the little cauldron. A place where land and water trade secrets, where the day begins with mist and the sea hums old songs beneath the gull's wings. Here, between Lough Currane and Ballinskelligs Bay, the world feels timeless, half dream, half memory. Welcome to Waterville, where Ireland exhales. This land remembers. Long before maps or borders, fishermen and monks and wanderers carved stories into the stone and sea. Standing stones watch the tides turn, ruins whisper in the grass. The wind still carries names, echoes of the first settlers who found light and fish and shelter here. Every ripple on the water is a syllable of that ancient tongue. Centuries later, in the late 1700s, the Butler family built a grand house at the river's mouth and called it Waterville House. From that name, the village was born. A Coast Guard station rose, then the great transatlantic cable station, linking this quiet shore to the far side of the ocean. Imagine the spark of the first message traveling beneath waves and storms, a whisper between continents carried through copper and salt water. The hum of that connection still lingers in the air. One bright summer in 1959, a traveler arrived from a different world, Charlie Chaplin, the silent poet of motion and laughter. He sought rest, fishing, privacy, and found them here, beside the calm waters of Lough, Currane. At the Butler Arms Hotel, he and his family returned again and again, drawn not by luxury, but by the rhythm of waves and wind, by the kindness of the village, by a sense of a true home. Chaplin would walk these sands at dawn and dusk, his thoughts drifting like gulls above the tide. Today, his statue gazes to the sea, bronze and still, yet somehow alive when the light touches it. Each spring, Waterville remembers him with laughter, music and film, celebrating not fame, but the gentle spirit that found peace here. For in Waterville, even the famous become small again, and that is its magic. The sea breathes, the hills answer, and the clouds drift like ancient stories. The Atlantic is the village's heartbeat, always near, always speaking. Stand here and listen. You will hear not silence, but harmony, wind, wave, and memory blending. The same melody that once calmed Chaplin's mind, that has lulled generations into stillness. As the sun lowers, gold spills across the sand. Shadows stretch long and tender. You might imagine the laughter of children, the clink of fishing lines, the quiet talk of neighbors. The spirit of Waterville is not loud, it is felt, like a warm hand in yours, like the hush that comes when you finally stop rushing and begin simply to be. From above, the village is a poem of light. Green hills, silver water, golden strand. Below, stories sleep in stone and seaweed. Take one last look. Let the sound of the surf settle into your breath. Carry it with you. This calm, this wonder, this quiet remembering. For Waterville is not just a place, it is a feeling. And feelings, like tides, always find their way home. Follow us for more magical stories. This is Twogether Exploring, where every step is a story. Thank you for watching.